play for all.
Makecode Arcade's block editor is built on a tool called Blockly. In its latest version, full keyboard navigation moved from an optional add-on into Blockly's core, meaning every block, field, and connection in the workspace can now be reached and edited without a mouse. This is incredibly helpful for people who cannot use a mouse or just prefer using a keyboard. In case you ever need it, clicking Ctrl+/ will open up the keyboard controls guide. Keyboard shortcuts let you access each of the main areas in the editor. You'll first need to click Ctrl+B and then select the number of the area you want to go to. For example, 3 will bring you to the toolbox. 2 single-letter shortcuts jump you straight to a whole region. W jumps to the workspace, and T jumps to the toolbox. Just like standard web pages, you can also use Tab to navigate forward, and Shift+Tab to navigate backwards. If you have multiple stacks of blocks, N will move you to the next stack, while B moves you back a stack. Workspace getting a little cluttered? Use the F key to format and clean up the workspace. Arrow keys move a cursor between blocks and their connections. Up and down step to the next or previous item. Left and right step in and out of nested blocks. To actually move a block, press M to pick it up. Arrow keys carry it to a new spot, and Enter or space drops it in place. Changed your mind? Escape cancels the move and puts it right back. The X key will disconnect the selected block from the stack, placing it on the workspace. That same Enter or Space key is also how you open a field to edit it. A number, a drop-down, a checkbox, and confirm your choice when you're done. Escape backs out of an open field without changing it. The everyday shortcuts work the way you'd expect from any app. Ctrl+C, X, and V, or Command on a Mac, to copy, cut, and paste. Ctrl+Z to undo, Ctrl+Shift+Z to redo. D duplicates whatever's selected, and delete or backspace removes it. You can also access most of these shortcuts by bringing up the context menu using the Ctrl+Enter combination. The addition of keyboard controls is a great real-world example of how good design can ensure that everyone can make.